loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing on today? Oh, let's turn y'all around just a tad bit. So, y'all, I tell you. So today's video is about a new product that I am currently trying. This is a initial review. I'm sure you guys probably already know by the thumbnail that we're talking about the product Revly. So if you're interested in knowing what my initial thoughts are, please continue to stick around. Before we continue forward with today's video, for the newbies that are stopping by, let me give you guys a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. And because you have done that, because you have stopped by and you have checked out today's video, I love you now. I love you so much now. So since I love you now, and I'm hoping you love me back too, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, so you can continue to feel this warm love I got for you guys. Each week I release a new video, so if you want to be alerted of that new video, hit that bell's notification. And lastly, show some support and give me a big thumbs up at the end of today's video. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so definitely want to talk about the product Revly. Revly has a long line of different vitamins that you can select from. I decided to go with none other than what most females go for, which is the Biotin complex. So I decided to go with the Biotin complex vitamins simply because I am trying to regrow healthy, stronger, shinier hair. It's no secret, and I feel like I sound like a broken robot, but if you're new tuning in, I cut my hair a few months back into a tapered haircut, and so now I'm trying to grow out that tapered cut. And yes, I have seen some growth, and it has been slow. I'm in that ugly stage. I can't even call it awkward. I'm just in an ugly stage where I can't pull my hair back. I can't really style it at the length that it is in. So right now I currently have to make it work with braids or with a protective style. So with that being said, to kind of help boost the hair growth process and just getting some of the vitamins that I needed, I decided to purchase the Biotin complex. A little bit about this particular vitamin. It is a gummy. Let's just start there first, so you guys can see that at the bottom. It is a gummy vitamin, you guys. This is strawberry flavored. It does have a safety top. Okay, so for those kids that are probably 5 years old or younger who doesn't know how to read, this would definitely make it hard for them to be able to get in here and get the vitamins out of here or the gummies out of here. As I mentioned, they are gummies. It's not vitamins. It is strawberry flavored. You guys, the directions or instructions as to how one would take this supplement is extremely easy. It tells you that you should take, or adults should take, 2 gummies a day of this Biotin complex. Also, another good thing, this container is recyclable. You guys, let's take care of our environment and let's remember to recycle. So I typically take my 2 either at night or early in the morning, but for the sake of today's video, I want to take it early. These are the gummies. Okay, so I'm trying to get the, okay, boom, there it is. So these are the gummies. And they are squishable. Now, they're not like candy gummies. Let me just stress that out to you. The texture is still slightly different from candy gummies, okay? And you guys, I can smell the strawberry. And I can taste it. Make sure whenever you take any type of gummy Gumly. Remember, whenever you take any type of supplement, that you drink plenty of water. I find that this is very effective whenever you are taking any type of supplement, especially when you're talking about a hair growth or a hair revitalizer supplement or vitamin. So smells good. Initially you have an aftertaste, but after about 5 minutes that quickly goes away. So I just want to stress that out there to you. The biotin in this is about 2,500 mcg. I just want to stress that out there to you. If you're wondering how many of these you get in a single container or single bottle, you get 60 gummies in a single bottle, but all that simply means is that you get a 30-day supply because you take 2 of these a day. So you get a 30-day supply. This is one of Amazon products, just in case you're interested. Super simple to find. Just go to the Amazon website, or if you have the app, just go to your Amazon app and type in Revly vitamins or supplements. It helps maintain normal hair, skin, and nails. Support normal brain function and cognition. Supports normal energy metabolism. Some of the ingredients that this particular supplement includes is none other than vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, organic cane sugar, organic Topico syrup, pectin, citric acid, sodium, citrate, and natural flavors. So on Amazon, before I purchase anything, I typically like to go out and check out some of the reviews. And I must say, you guys, Revly has some pretty great reviews. And if any of you guys are wondering, 5 stars, 5 stars. A lot of 5 stars here. So a lot of people seem to like Revly. The normal price of this particular supplement runs you about $9.35. However, I have been able to catch it on sale at Amazon for $8 and some change. They do have same-day delivery or one-day delivery. So I ordered mine on Monday, and then I ordered mine on Tuesday, and then it was here Wednesday. And so I've been taking these since Wednesday. And as you guys see, I have a protective style, so I want you guys to kind of look to see what my hair looks like now. It's not a whole lot of new growth at all. There's no new growth right now at all. Okay, so let's look at this. We're going to use this as an example. So this is my baby hairs that I didn't braid, and as you guys can see, it's nowhere near my eyebrow at this time. So we're going to use that to see if this biotin supplement actually works. Now, I have used biotin supplement in the past, and you guys, I had a reaction from taking biotin. Typically, my reaction is pimples. My nails would grow. My hair appeared to have done okay from it, but I got pimples from taking biotin. So I'm going to see if my body has that same effect this time around. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll follow back up with you in 30 days. If you have tried Revly products before, which is an Amazon brand, tell me what your experience has been taking Revly. And I'll talk to you till in the next one. Smooches.